is Robin. I'm here with Juicy. And we are going to do a gel design. So I started this tutorial with artistic soak off glitter, soak off gel, and I am terrible about naming. So this is called Manic. And so today I wanted to talk about some things at the same time as I paint. So I already have this design kind of drawn out, and I'm going to put 2 coats of this color on. I already have one on, and then I'm going to cure it for how long, Juice? About a minute?
I think it's 2 minutes.
2
and
minutes.
Make sure to be close to the light so it's actually drying it. So
yeah, this one's hard to dry.
If you're far away from the light.
And so I'm gonna have Juicy stay on top of me about all of how many dry times and stuff, because I'm just gonna be going back and forth. But I'm gonna take this time right now to say that I don't do a lot of gel designs because every gel is so different, and you guys are all learning from all over the world. And so I'm trying to do something that will help you guys, because I have problems with gel, and I always have, and that's because I learned on acrylic mostly, and there's so many gel products. So if you have a gel product that is better than what we're using, please send it to my P.O. box. It's in the about section in my YouTube channel. But I will test your gel for you and tell, you know, and I'll like conglomerate them all in one area, and then I'll do a video testing gels. And just send me 1 bottle of what you think is the best, you know, like don't send me a bunch, because I'm just gonna test one and then do it. But if I do get a bunch wanting to be tested, like, then I will do that every once in a while. Just add it to my channel, because I want to make it a flat art first. But there's nothing wrong with adding to it. It's just that I wasn't ready yet, because gels take so many different layers, and they wrinkle, and they have a lot of side effects and a lot of weird stuff going on, and I just want to paint nails and make them beautiful. So as you see, I'm just kind of drawing the polish around and making a geometric design. I will do 2 coats of this, letting each hand dry approximately 2 minutes, and then I'll go on to the next step, which will be a glitter color, and it is called Princess. And they didn't pay me to say this, but I did get the polish for free. Meet you back. Let me just say that I already have a problem with this bottle being all over the place, and I don't know why it leaked, but it already got on my finger. There, one problem for gel. Okay, so now I'm gonna put in the glitter. Princess. So I'm gonna drag down the center. 1, 2, pretty. I love this color.
I think it's probably, yeah.
Well, I know. This is the design flaw on the bottle. Okay, there we go. Putting it in. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this kind of foil. It looks like this. Juicy, where do we get it?
Amazon.
Okay, so it's really slick. I didn't put any kind of anything on it. I'm just holding and then pulling off, and it's not coming off exactly, but it's just giving me like a bottom area to build on. And this one I might have peeled too much. Okay, here we go. Okay. Press hard.
I don't feel like you're pressing hard.
Oh, I don't. You don't?
No.
Am I not pressing hard enough?
I don't think so.
Okay. Well, it doesn't really matter because we're going to paint over it, but it really is kind of hard to transfer, but it doesn't matter because when I'm done, it's just going to give the illusion of a floral under everything, and that's all I need because I'm going to do more on top. So that it's all going to make sense later, and I'll meet you back. Okay, so now I'm ready to put here. This is with top coat on all of them. So now I'm ready to put the flowers. So I'm going to paint flowers over the top. So I have like, gosh, 180 different tutorials on how to paint flowers. But just go and push them in the way you want. And don't be scared. Just put them in. And what we did halfway through is, so Juicy didn't like the color, so because I top coated this, I just took it off with alcohol, and now I'm starting over. I'm using just regular acrylic paint.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I don't think we told them what we top coated.
Oh, okay, yeah, can you show them real quick? Just, oh, here we go. This is what I top coated with. If you guys have a gel top coat that's better than this, or you think you do, and you want me to test it, please send it to me. I'll have, it's in the About Me section, my P.O. box. Just send me it. And give me a little leaflet on how to use it too. So there's that. And I'm just going in and randomly putting, can I see that other hand, Juice?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so just kind of randomly placing tiny flowers in here. Now, I was doing them more dark and more, like more, what
rustic.
is that? Yeah, rustic and fluid and all this stuff. And they were really pretty to me. And then Juicy was like, no, I want them Barbie. So we had to do lighten them up. So I'm just going to put the light white first, then middle them with pink. And then what, Juicy?
And then I think hollow glitter and a rhinestone.
Yeah, hollow glitter. That's a lot of glitter. Maybe just a rhinestone. Well, I don't know. We'll see. So
I think we should have holographic leaves.
that would be pretty. Okay. I'm going to do holographic leaves with a micro hollow, and then mix it with textile medium. That's what I'm going to use for the leaves. So we'll do this. And the textile medium works great under this gel. So that's what I'm trying to do for you guys, is I'm going to try to learn this in different ways, just so that you guys can learn different ways as well with me. And teach you the cheapest way to do it. Not just the cheapest, the most creative. Because that just like builds. It's really pretty. So we're going to do that. Finish that. When it's out, when it's done, it's going to look like this. Thumb. And I'll meet you back. There is, okay, now I'm going to go in with pink. So with light pink, I'm going to hit the middles of all these flowers like this and go about 2/3 of the way up. Like that. And when you're finished, it'll look like this. Let me zoom in. Okay. And you'll see how you can look down into them and you see the flowers under, and then you see the flowers laying on top, and they still look girly and still look pretty. Okay? Okay, so now I'm going in with a darker pink into the centers. Again, only just all acrylic paint. And Juicy and I have been talking so much during this. I'm sorry if I get off topic, because I really want to learn how to level using the best gel combinations for those of you guys who don't use gel. All of this can be done with regular polishes. It just uses so many different layers that they don't go together, and then you get a lot of wrinkling, cracking, lifting, peeling, and stuff like that. And I never want to lead you guys wrong. That's why I've done so many tutorials with different techniques, so that you can do them instead of having to buy all the stuff that doesn't end up working too well. So let me zoom back in. Okay. So like anything else, I think right now is that I'm going to leave it with the top coat is extremely important, and of gel. And layering is extremely important. But once you get the layers done and you're top coated, the painting on top of it with regular flat nail art is very, very simple, and it looks just as beautiful as any other design, right? So this is one nail. So when you're done, it'll look like this. Okay, and she calls them floating flowers. I think they would be just fine like this, but we're going to put a little bit of glitter around them to look like leaves, and use hollow glitter. So I have some out on a tile, I'm gonna add textile medium just so I have more control, and if I mess up and she doesn't like it, I can take it off with alcohol. So if you have a client who makes you take a lot of stuff off, this would be a good thing because you're already sealed.
Are you shading me right now?
No, not at all.
You're shading me right now. All the
Do you
shade.
really think that I would shade you over this?
All the shade.
This? Oh my goodness, no way. Just saying, there's no shade, only glitter. So, okay, so since I have to add more glitter, I'm going to put, there we go, there's no shade.
Since I have to add more glitter.
Since there has to be more glitter. See how I'm just going to put it out like that? It's going to dry into little points, and then it will look like flower petals, and it's going to just add more glitter without being overstated, because I really don't want to put too much on here because it really changes the look. Do you love it?
I love glitter.
I know. It's going to be glittery, I promise. Oh my god. So I'm doing glitters. All the leaves and glitters. It will dry.
Not to mention this glitter is
fantastic.
black.
What?
This glitter is black. Princess
How
is
can
black.
you see? How can you see that? I don't understand that black.
Because it doesn't look white. You can see that. You can see that.
Oh my gosh, Juicy is so particular about glitters, and I know you guys know this, but wow.
I am a glitter expertise.
Yeah, you are. You know what?
A true glitter, when you put it in like a not bright light, if it looks black or gray, that is not glitter.
Okay, so
Just
if you
saying.
guys have something and you guys know what that means, can you please send me white glitters? Because I will shout you guys out if you can give me
what was
some
it?
Here
Star
we
or
go.
something?
Star?
The glitter you had.
Northern Lights?
Northern Lights. There you go.
Yeah.
That is a glitter that does not show black.
Correct.
See?
Okay,
so
but
they do exist. It's not a unicorn of glitters.
Okay, I know that, but this right here is hollow glitter. Does it shine black?
But it's in a chunk. It's not just when it's a chunk, you don't see it like that.
Okay.
But like when it's spread,
micro glitter?
Well, like when it's spread like this across a color, it doesn't look, I don't even know what color it was. It looks silver. Maybe that's the problem. Because Princess is pink.
Okay. So do you think you want more of a pink glitter that reflects pink? Because I know that you think MAC reflects red, shines black. Right?
Well, this is silver because you can see on here. Because the Princess stuff like originally looked pink, right?
Kind of, yeah.
Right. But then in turn, it really isn't.
But this, okay,
it has a pink tone and the polish itself, but not the glitter.
Okay.
I like a fleshy. I don't know.
But do you guys see how I'm doing the glitter really, really tiny and together so it looks like leaves? This is just going to make it more glittery without adding too much more, because you don't want to overdo it or mess up and take it off or run behind. So it's better, less is more. Less is more, and just keep on adding less and less and more until you get it. Because seriously, like this can like set you really behind as a nail artist. So me and Juicy kid around. I've known her since she was a little kid. But if you have a client,
but she's keeping it real because she's telling all the facts because there's somebody after me. Yeah. So she's shading me, but
yeah,
she's keeping it real. She's keeping it real.
But guess who's on time too?
Right. She's just trying to help y'all.
I am trying to help everybody, and you know what? We're having fun, and we're trying to do stuff. We are getting a whole bunch of stuff together, and we're trying to do stuff to make it fun for you guys. And oh my gosh, I've had so many fails, but we've learned a lot, haven't we, Juicy?
Yeah. In
the last year, we've learned a lot, and Juicy has so many goals that she's making, and I can't keep up with her. And sorry, Juice.
Yeah,
I try my best, but Juicy is very hard to keep up with. Very.
That is true. I am a lot, and I appreciate those who stick around.
Exactly. You guys.
I'm a really hard client, and I'm a really hard person, but I'm so lovable.
Exactly.
Because I love so much.
Freaking love her, but she is hard, and that's why we.
But I will say this is that you also helped turn me into the diva that I am today.
It is true.
No, very, very, very true. Because I was a jock when you met me. Yes.
I created the monster.
You did. I will give you full credit because before I wouldn't have nails. I would not have nails past my skin.
You would have been such a mess.
Yeah. I probably wouldn't have nails.
Oh my goodness, I don't even want to think about it. Look, I just threw stones all over the place. Anyways, okay, so now I'm going to put stones in the middle of this and finish. Okay, so let me zoom out and then show you the nails like that first. Now I'm going to take down the light. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, now I'm going to show you as much as I can into the light how they go in and allow you to like see into the nails. I used a 2mm like pearl half round. Well, it's a flat back, and you can get them in a wheel like this. I think this was very inexpensive, but they're called flat back pearls, and they have like the bottom of the pearl is inverted, so they go on really easy and they stay real nice. So here's this. Okay.
Did we say what we stuck them on with?
No, but I went, okay, so I wrote on it.
Oh, that's okay.
Okay, but
they know my name. Yeah,
I use this glue, and it's very important that you use that. It looks like that. It's called nail builder glue. I had another one, and it never dried. And let me see if I can find it. It was just right on top. Yeah. So this is the one I had.
They look almost identical.
They're almost the same. This one sucks, so don't get this. Drill gel soak off? No. Don't get that. Get this one.
And that one was on Amazon, I think like $7.99.
Okay, and this was great. It has a ton in there. You can't run out.
And they come with 2 and some brushes.
Yeah.
But
perfect.
You can get your brushes at robinmosesnailart.com if you want quality.
Oh my gosh, yes. So if you want, yes, thank you. Okay, so here we go. robinmosesnailart.com. Wand. That's what I used for all of it. And you get a sticker too. And send me inspired by Robin Moses. Tell me where you put your stickers. I was wondering about that the other day. And I'm supposed to like converse with you guys. I really want to know where you guys put your stickers. Do you put it on your desk, or do you put it like I have mine on the back of my car? So okay. Oh my gosh, Juicy. So I want you to show the nails now. Okay. Aren't they so cute?
Yeah.
Do you feel like a Barbie?
Yeah.
Perfect.
And I love that we added all the hollow. I don't care if it's too much glitter. I think it went over the top just like me, and I think they're more me.
Gorgeous. Yeah. I really
and
like
the pearls are really pretty and different versus the gems.
So next time we're going to do something wild, and then she totally said that I could do whatever I wanted on the time after that. So if you guys have any ideas or any color choices, please tell me in the comment section of this video, because I want to do Juicy more often now, because it's getting easier for me again. And since I'm going to be doing Juicy's nails more often, I am thinking about telling more stories with her and stuff like that, and just being more open.
More girl talk.
Yes, because I've been working and struggling so hard, so now it's more girl time. So you guys, anything that you can add, please do in the comment section. And I love you guys, and thank you so much for all that you guys do and all you guys share to make sure that we get to women who really want to learn and help themselves without spending a ton of money. So I'll see you back with more, and everybody have a great day. Bye.
Bye.